Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your online bookmark synced and Chrome is running. Open the menu, choose Help, then About Google Chrome to trigger the update check. The browser will automatically download any available build. Once the download starts, make sure you don't close Chrome or interrupt the network. If permissions prompt appears, allow it. On managed machines, you may need admin rights. This step moves the update from pending to downloaded and prepares Chrome for the relaunch that completes the install. As the update progresses, you may need to resolve platform details. On Windows, verify the Google Update service is enabled. If it's disabled, restart it from services. On macOS, accept installer dialogues and check that Gatekeeper isn't blocking the sign package. For corporate or school devices, contact IT to lift policies or fetch a signed offline installer. Once the update finishes downloading, clearing a small cache and quitting extensions that lock files helps the installer complete cleanly before you relaunch Chrome. You finish by relaunching Chrome when prompted. After restart, go back to About Chrome to confirm the new version and security patches. If Chrome won't update or relaunch, disable all extensions and repeat the check. A misbehaving extension can block the process. If update still fails, sign out, backup profiles, then uninstall Chrome and reinstall the latest package. Make sure to remove leftover app data. If nothing works, check firewall, proxy, and admin policy settings, then contact IT or follow your platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.